Hello. Good afternoon, guys. We got UK plug, original Samsung. It's a bit dark in here. Later I can take some pictures and show you. It's UK plug. It's not fast charging. It's only 2 ampere, 5-volt, 2 ampere. You can separate it. Right. We got 3000 in stock. We also have some US plug and UK plug. Here we go. We also got with US plug. This is US standard and this is UK standard. It's original Samsung. Original Samsung mobile charger, okay? Original Samsung mobile charger. We got for US and for UK, we got 3000 in stock, and the price is very nice. The price is very low. It's 3000 pieces. The factory wants to clear the stock, and they're all packed very nicely. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are about 10 cartons here. So guys, if you're interested in original Samsung mobile charger, 5-volt, 2 ampere with US plug and UK plug, let me know. I will give you the prices.